Hey guys, I am back, and yes, the semi finale is on in both the rooms. It's going great. All the contestants they have put a lot of effort, grooming themselves. We can see the change from the day one when they have joined us, and now today when they are looking very well groomed, very well dressed up. All the boys, all the girls, they are looking fabulous. They have put in all the effort, and it is showing up. So yes, I am going to take you live again from our room 2, and we are going to see few contestants, their work, their answers, and yes, hope you guys also enjoy this semi-final.
Farooq, please check your camera.
Okay, the next contestant is 1219 Chahat Singh from Maharashtra.
I am Sahat Singh. I am 18 years old and I have a dream to be an inspiration for everyone out there. I come from the state where Mahabharata took place, Haryana. With my parents and close relatives engaged in diverse occupations, I knew from a very young age that I wanted to do something different as well. I have always been interested in performing arts, and dance gave me the exact opportunity to be the expressive soul that I am. I am a student of psychology. I advocate mental health, and I believe that improving mental health conditions in the world is a cause worth fighting for. And I have taken upon myself to fight for those who are suffering from the dark void that depression is. A platform such as this gives us youngsters an opportunity to voice ourselves and our opinions in almost every field of life. And that is why I am here today. Thank you.
I love your name, Chahat. It's very nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Chahat, you said you're a student of psychology and you're working. You like to work on people going through depression. Because in this COVID times, how do you think a person who has lost a loved one and other families who've been devastated by this pandemic? What steps or what piece of advice or what things you would suggest them to?
I think that anyone who has lost their families or their loved ones, COVID-19, I salute their strength and their bravery. They have one piece of advice I would give to them that life has ups and downs, or life has up roads, high roads. But we have been very strong till today. Loved ones go away, loved ones leave you behind because I think there's this theory that death is and everyone is going to die because we are fortunate enough to have lived. So keeping this in, you have to go on and make your loved ones proud. Thank you.
Chahat, you want to have your career in psychology or dance and arts? Which way? Because you've been showing interest in both the ways.
I think to get my psychology, my art, as I advocate, my art is a where I can spread awareness about mental health. And if I could handle both of these things, I think I would make a difference one day. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, yes, I'm back again in your room. So, yes, I'm back again in your room and to have a little conversation, little chit chat with all of you. And yes, you all are live with me in Panache Academy official page. So, how is it going? How is it going, Mehendi ma'am, Neeti ma'am? How is it going?
It's amazing. I've seen various people by now, people who are, from middle class families to people who actually live in different areas of India, which I haven't even, I've never met these people. But seeing them being so smart and so confident, the confidence of everyone has been amazing. Like, hats off to Panache, because all I heard was them saying ki Panache ki wajah se hame itna confidence mila, and that's amazing because it takes a lot to do that. So, bravo.
Thank you, Mehendi ma'am. And Neeti ma'am, how is it going for you? How are you liking it? Are you enjoying it?
I think it's an amazing experience for me as a person as well. And as Mehendi has put it rightly, I think a lot of contestants which we were talking to have all mentioned Panache, and it's just that I think just they were waiting for something like this to boost up their confidence, and it is really a very well thought platform. And one more important or interesting thing which the kind of reach you guys have done means Panache has reached till Kenya and different remote parts of our country, and different people from across, I would say a lot of people from outside India as well. It is really very amazing to see that people are full of so much of zeal and enthusiasm for this. It's really nice.
Thank you so much. And yes, we can continue with our session right now with our semi-finals, and I'll come back to you both very soon taking forward this live. Thank you so much. So guys, I'm going to take you to the other room same time so that you can see what's going on in there, and yes, to have a nice good feel good factor also there to enjoy. So here we have right now Sid Ahuja.
Siddharth, are you going to be doing the ramp walk?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you going to be doing the ramp walk?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm doing right now. Can we start, ma'am?
Yes.
Just 1 second.
Hope you guys are enjoying it, having all the fun, because it's fun for all of us. We are enjoying, we are learning on a daily basis. And yes, do put your questions in the chat box if you have anything, and you can DM us for any more questions. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the session over here. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Done. Can you again, ma'am? There are some network issues.
It's okay, Siddharth. We saw you. Never mind. We saw you. Don't worry.
Okay.
We could see
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Siddharth. I am from Baroda city. It's a Sanskari Nagari is the name of the known of the, and I'm 21 years old. I'm studying for Panache Academy. I'm pursuing for BBA, ma'am. And my hobbies are modeling, singing, and cooking.
Very nice, Siddharth. Siddharth, I want to ask you, what is success? What is your definition of success?
Success.
Success એટલે successful થઈએ ને આપણે લાઈફમાં. સફળતા, હા, very good word. Gujarati is very nice. સફળતા શેને કહેવાય?
સફળતા એટલે આપણે સક્સેસ ને સફળતા કહેવાય મેડમ.
તારી ડેફિનેશન શું છે?
Just 1 second. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Done. Actually, I'm doing ma'am job, so my login ID is on. That's why.
What is your definition of success? How would you define?
સફળતા ને સક્સેસ કહેવાય મેડમ.
I understand the translation. What I'm asking you is, તું તારી જાતને સફળ ક્યારે માનીશ? શું કરીશ તો તને સફળતા મળશે?
જ્યારે હું મહેનત કરીને આગળ વધીશ, સ્ટ્રગલ કરીને, તો હું સફળતા માનીશ ને. જે મતલબ મારો પર્પસ જે કોઈ ગોલ હોય કે મારે આ બનવું છે ફ્યુચરમાં, તો હું એના માટે મહેનત કરીશ પહેલા તો, અને ફૂલ્લી એના પર ફોકસ રાખીશ. દેન હું અચીવ કરી શકીશ ને, ત્યારે મને સફળતા મળશે ને મેડમ.
એટલે શું શેની સફળતા મળશે?
ચલો એક્ઝામ્પલ આપું છું. ચલો મેમ, અગર હું લાઈક રિસોર્ટમાં જોબ કરું છું મેડમ, ઠીક છે, પહેલા મતલબ કે મારે પેલા જોબ કરવું છે, ઠીક છે, મારા જનરલ મેનેજર મારા
So guys, this is showing the diversity of our country, that it's not necessary that if you are not comfortable with English, you have to continue talking in English. You can also speak, if the judge is comfortable, if the jury is comfortable talking in any language, you can go ahead and speak in that language, be it Hindi, be it English, or any of your regional language. We are here to support you. Panache is here to support you, and yes, that's how it is. So yes, be comfortable with how you are, and language is no barrier. So we are going ahead with our next contestant. So we have Smita Sahu over here.
गुड मॉर्निंग जूरीज मेंबर, नमस्ते। मेरा नाम है स्मिता साहू, मैं 18 इयर्स की हूँ और मैं छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ। छत्तीसगढ़ की ये स्पेशलिटी है, तो वहाँ पे भिलाई प्लांट है एंड भिलाई स्टील प्लांट है। आई एम सॉरी, मैं म्यूट हो गया था। हॉबी है डांसिंग। जिस तरह मैं मॉडलिंग के लिए बहुत ज्यादा पैशनेट हूँ, उसी तरह मैं डांसिंग के लिए भी बहुत ज्यादा पैशनेट हूँ। एंड मैं सबसे ज्यादा एक ही वर्ड से मोटिवेट होती हूँ, जो कहते हैं कि जो पानी से नहाता है वो सिर्फ लिबास बदलता है, जो पानी से नहाता है वो सिर्फ लिबास बदलता है, और जो पसीने से नहाता है वो इतिहास बदलता है। थैंक यू।
Very well said, Smita. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay. So my question to you is, who is your favorite dancer and why?
मैम, माय फेवरेट डांसर इज नोरा फतेही, बिकॉज वो दूसरे के कंट्री में रह के हम इंडिया बन सकती है दिल से, तो अपन क्यों इंडिया के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते? अपन दिल से, हम इंडिया है तो अपन दिल से इंडिया को प्राउड करने के लिए मेरा खुद एक ड्रीम है मिस वर्ल्ड बनूं। एंड मैं चाहती हूँ, मैं अभी रिसेंटली इंडिया बेस्ट डांसर के लिए भी ऑडिशन दी हूँ। सो मैं चाहती हूँ कैसे किसी भी तरीके की मैं इंडिया को प्राउड करूँ, एंड सबको चाहती हूँ कि सब मेरे नाम से लाइक एग्जाम्पल दे कि हाँ ये छत्तीसगढ़ से है एंड ये फील्ड अच्छी है, सब यही इसी से आगे जाए, एंड सारे पेरेंट्स की मेंटेलिटी भी चेंज हो जाए।
Fantastic. Thank you, Smita.
Thank you guys, and I'm going to ask Parita and Deval ma'am once again. So yes, I am again interrupting over here, and we are live. Parita ma'am, Deval ma'am, and yes, Abira ma'am. We are live again from our Panache Academy page, and yes, so how is the experience, Parita ma'am? Do you want to say something? How is it going?
Hi, it's going on in full of energy, and experience is awesome. How technology is making us introduce with so many people all around India, and it's amazing. It's amazing to be part of this whole journey.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And Yes, Deval ma'am, can we have you here too? Yes, ma'am. How
And
is your
here,
experience?
Khushbu. Oh, it's wonderful. It is so versatile. The various personalities that we are seeing, various backgrounds, various, brackets or chapters of life and the entire palette from India, and you know how enthusiastic everyone is and how charged up everybody is. It's like a energy bomb. You know, we're just floating in it. It's fantastic. It's really lovely.
Thank you so much. And yes, we have a lot of contestants still. So yeah, let's go ahead. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.